Welcome to watch Chasing Fishing Net Inspection Report Automatic Generation Function Tutorial video. Before use, please make sure that both your app and ROV firmware have been updated to the latest version. Open the side toolbar. Select Fishing Net Inspection function. If you have performed a net inspection previously, you may choose the net box information from the previous inspection to continue. Click Add a Cage. Swipe to select grid size and layout on the left. Enter netbox name. Select netbox's height. Click Add button to enter the subgrid box interface. Click to edit. Then click on the corresponding subgrid cell. Enter a subgrid box name to facilitate logging. Long press on the corresponding subgrid cell to clear box data. Rotate the pointer on the right side with 2 fingers to set netbox direction. Select the corresponding subgrid cell and click to inspect. On Fishing Net Inspection page, ROV camera view is on the left. Fishing Net Inspection interface is on the right. Click upper left netbox name to return to the previous level of netbox page. Under Fishing Net Inspection, the netbox is divided into A, B, C, D, and bottom, T. You can view the current net side info on the upper right corner and click the arrows to switch side. Below is a 4x4 grid. Simulates net surface view. The x-axis divides the current net width into 4 grids. The y-axis divides the current net depth into 4 grids. Each grid unit simulates the different positions of the corresponding net. Click on the grid unit corresponding to the position of the respective net. Then press the photo button in the upper left corner of the remote control to take photos. Click on the annotation button below to enter the annotation interface. Click to select the picture. According to the situation shown, select labels to annotate the picture. You can also choose to input text information to supplement the explanation of the picture. Click OK to complete the annotation of the picture. After the picture annotation, the grid unit corresponding to the respective net side will show the situation of the net box. Click on the annotated net unit to display the picture and annotation. Click Edit to re-edit the picture annotation. Long press the annotated net unit to clear the inspection content. After finishing the inspection of one net box, click Inspection Completed and switch to the next net box for inspection. After finishing the whole inspection, click Generate Report to automatically generate a fishing net inspection report. Fill in the relevant information about fishing net. If you have exported a fishing net inspection report before, you can also click the Import Previous Information button in the upper right corner. Automatically import previous information. After filling in, swipe to the very bottom of the page. Click Save to share the report. Please go to the bottom of the report, enter the recipient's email, and click Send Report. The report will be sent to the email in compressed package format. Unzip the compressed package. Click on the corresponding language web file to view the report. Click on History. Select the corresponding record. You can view the fishing net inspection report. Click on the corresponding net unit to view the recorded pictures and annotations. Click Select. Then click on the corresponding fishing net inspection record to delete the selected record. Click Gallery Record. You can view saved picture information. Click on the picture to view the large picture. Click Select. Select the corresponding picture. Click the download icon to download and save the corresponding picture. Click Download List to view downloaded pictures. Click Select. Select the corresponding picture. Click the delete icon to delete the corresponding picture.